it's Julie and welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make this dress with a back ribbon. I made it as room wear. Since we've been spending a lot of time indoors lately, I thought why not making cute one. It's comfortable and nice for going out as well. I recommend using soft touch natural fabric. If you're interested in the patterns, the link will be in the description below. You're gonna cut out the front bodice on the fold. Two back bodies. Two bottom bodies. Two sleeves. Two ribbons. One back and front facing on the fold. If you're gonna cut two pieces out, don't forget to add seam allowance to the center. And interfacing. Once you have everything cut, mark out the notches and interfacing. We can start sewing. To start by serging the raw edges of front sides, shoulder lines, and facing. Then we're gonna be making the pleats. Fold towards to the side and pin it. Finish the raw edges of the ribbons by folding into 2 times. Fold 1.2 cm from the edge, then 5 mm from the edge, and top stitch. We're gonna be stitching down the back bodice and the bottom together. Face them right side together, sew along and serge the raw edges. Face the back bodice right side together and sew along the center seam. Press the seam allowance open. Next, we're gonna be putting the back pieces together. Put the back bodice and the ribbon face up, then face the sleeve right side down. So they're gonna face right side together. And sew along. Finish sewing at the bottom of the ribbon. Serge the raw edges all the way across along. Serge the shoulder lines as well. Next, we're gonna be putting back bodice and front bodice together. Face them right side together and stitch down shoulder lines and side seam lines. Make sure the ribbons will be placed inside and don't stitch them together. Start sewing at the notch of the underarm hole, all the way along to the bottom, and shoulder seams. Then we're gonna be attaching the facing to the bodice. Face them right side together and stitch down. Press the seam allowance open. Flip the bodice inside out. Line up the necklines, match the shoulder seams, back and front centers. Then stitch down all the way across along. Cut seam allowance at the back center and around shoulder seams to release the tension. Press the seam allowance open. Flip the facing over and press the seam to make it look clean. Then top stitch. Finally, finish the hem and the cuffs and you're done. You can finish by folding in 2 times and top stitch, or serge the raw edge and fold 1 time and top stitch. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.